God, the building's gonna fall.
So not yet, we're leaving.
I've never experienced anything like this. Oh, there's going to be a lot of damage in Tokyo. Under the desk.
Oh my God. That is the biggest earthquake to date. It is still going. Oh my God, the building's gonna fall.
Very scary one. Look at it, you can see it shaking up there. Oh, jeez Louise.
It's safer out here.
The earthquake lasts for 6 minutes. It's the most powerful recorded quake in Japan's history, the 4th most powerful ever.
I'm outside now and I can feel the ground shake. The phone is still won't connect. This is terrifying, y'all. I can feel the ground moving quite a bit. I hope he's somewhere safe.
Okay, here we go again. A lot bigger this time. That's where we just were.
Just some people did. We need power tools. We'll just say everyone just stay here and go. It's making me kind of nervous.
Where do we go?
Go to the hill.
Where do we go?
Half an hour later, a massive tsunami slams the country's northeastern coast. Leaving an unprecedented catastrophe in its wake. This is the story of the earthquake and its deadly aftermath, as captured by those who lived through it.